Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're looking at the Armor All 2.5-Gallon 20V Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum, model DVTB 2002-0902, designed for everyday wet and dry pickup on the go. This vacuum offers a solid 20 volts power, making it a handy solution for quick cleanups, especially for those who need flexibility and portability. Whether you're tackling dry dust or wet spills, this compact device promises to handle both. Let's break down what it has to offer. This Armor All Wet Dry Vacuum is built with a focus on convenience and versatility. It features a 20 volts battery system that powers its strong 42 CFM airflow, delivering a consistent performance for light to moderate cleaning tasks. The motor provides a 30-inch water lift, ensuring it can effectively clean up liquid messes quickly, whether it's a spill in your garage or moisture in your car. In terms of power, this vacuum is designed to be both efficient and portable, making it suitable for those who need a quick fix without a heavy-duty machine. When it comes to versatility, this vacuum doesn't disappoint. It includes a total of 9 accessories, with a crevice tool that's particularly useful for cleaning those tight spaces in your vehicle or other hard-to-reach areas. The added benefit of a blower function, with the included inflator nozzle, expands its usability further. You can quickly inflate air mattresses, pool floats, or anything else that requires a burst of air. This makes it not only a vacuum, but a multi-purpose tool for different needs around the home or in the car. The design is all about convenience and portability. The vacuum's compact toolbox-like shape means it's easy to store and carry, without taking up much space in your garage or vehicle. All the accessories fit neatly on board, reducing clutter and ensuring you always have what you need right there with the vacuum. The 2.5-gallon capacity is sufficient for everyday tasks, though it's worth noting you may need to empty it more frequently when tackling larger jobs, especially wet ones. The hose and accessories are lightweight, and user-friendly, and the vacuum's total weight doesn't make it cumbersome to move around, even during longer cleaning sessions. In terms of runtime, you're looking at up to 15 minutes of use with the 2.0 battery. This is ideal for small jobs, but might be limiting for larger, more demanding cleanups. If you need a longer runtime, it's possible to keep an extra battery handy, but keep in mind that this vacuum is designed for quick, efficient jobs rather than extended cleaning marathons. During real-world testing, the Armor All vacuum performed admirably in situations like cleaning car interiors and small wet messes. The suction is strong enough to lift dirt, crumbs, and even wet spills without much effort. The crevice tool proved particularly helpful for getting into tight corners, like between car seats or around narrow gaps. On hard floors, it easily picked up debris, though its small size means you'll have to do a little more back and forth to cover larger areas. It's not designed for heavy-duty carpet cleaning, but for quick cleanups, it excels. The blower function worked just as advertised, making it a useful tool for inflating pool toys or cleaning debris out of tight spaces like vents. There are a few areas where the Armor All vacuum could improve. The 15-minute runtime may be limiting if you need to tackle bigger messes, and the smaller 2.5-gallon tank means frequent emptying for larger tasks. However, these trade-offs are typical for compact, portable wet-dry vacuums. If you're using it for its intended purpose, quick, everyday cleanups in the car, garage, or for small spills, these limitations are relatively minor. The value for money is solid, especially when compared to other similarly priced wet-dry vacuums on the market. Many vacuums in this price range offer similar suction power and portability, but the added versatility of this model, with its blower function and useful accessories, adds significant value. If you're someone who needs a vacuum for quick tasks, particularly in vehicles or smaller spaces, this model offers a good balance of price and performance. If you're considering alternatives in the same price range, models like the Black & Decker 20V Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum or the ShopVac 1.5-gallon Wet Dry Vacuum could be worth a look. While they offer similar suction power and features, the Armor All stands out with its added versatility, including the blower function and tool storage. The Black & Decker model, for example, may offer a longer runtime with a higher capacity tank, but it doesn't have the same level of flexibility in terms of accessories and multi-use functionality. Build quality is solid. The vacuum feels sturdy, and the plastic components are resilient, though not quite as premium as some higher-end models. The hose and tool attachments fit securely, and overall, the vacuum holds up well to regular use. As for maintenance, it's relatively straightforward. The bin is easy to empty, and there are no complicated filter changes or special cleaning requirements. Long-term durability should be good, but like any portable vacuum, it's not built for the heaviest tasks. With regular care, it should last through many quick cleanups without issue. The customer's reputation of Armor All tends to be fairly reliable, though since this vacuum is a more straightforward, no-frills model, you likely won't need much support. If any issues arise, you can count on typical warranty support, and their response times are generally quick for standard product inquiries. To wrap things up, the Armor All 2.5-gallon 20V Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum is a solid choice for anyone who needs a lightweight, portable solution for everyday messes. It's perfect for vehicle cleaning, quick spills, and even some light wet tasks. While its runtime and small tank size might be a limiting factor for larger jobs, its overall performance, convenience, and versatility make it a great option for smaller tasks and quick cleanups. If you're looking for a compact vacuum that's easy to use and store, this one delivers on all fronts. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, and so you don't miss any of our future reviews. If you've already used this vacuum or have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Let's chat. Thanks for watching, and goodbye till next time. Stay clean and keep your space fresh.